Hello friends, today we will start with Inorganic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit number 2. First chapter in that, Paper 2, Unit 2, Chapter 1. It is Chemistry of Boron Compound. Boron is an element. Boron is an element of group 13 element. Group 13 elements in the periodic table. Then this group 13 elements they found in nature in a combined state. That is, they are not in free state, they are in combined state. That is, they have been attached with some other elements too. And today, now we will start with its periodic table. Then which elements does this group 13 element contains? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. So easy. How can we remember this? There is one short form. Banao aloo gajar in tel. Banao aloo gajar in tel. In this way you can learn this list: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Now we will see its atomic number. And its atomic numbers are 5, 13, 31, 49, 81. Now we see its electronic configuration. 5 electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Aluminium, we will give shortcut. Neon is atomic number 10. 10 plus 3. 3s2, 3p1. Gallium, we will go for argon. Argon 18, we will take 3d10. 18 plus 10, 28, 29, 30. Sorry. 30. Similarly for indium, we will go for krypton. 36, 46, 4d10, 5s2, 5p1. And last, thallium. We will go for after krypton. Yes, we know. Its xenon atomic number is 54. 54. Now here one more we have to take, that is 4f. 40. 54. 64. 68. 68 electrons we have pushed up. And now next 5d10. 5d10. 54, 68. 78, 79, 80, 81. 3 electrons remaining, that is 6s2, 6p1. So easy. Like that you can remember the periodic table. The electronic configuration of 13 group element. Talking about the electronic configuration, the elements of group 13 are subdivided into two categories. That is inert gas core, and second is pseudo inert gas core. The first two elements, that is boron and aluminium, are inert gas core, whereas other elements, gallium, indium, thallium, are pseudo inert gas core elements because they contain D and F block elements. Hence, this makes the irregularity in the behavior of the elements, and hence the physical properties like atomic number, ionization energy, and so on. Now we will see trend in its property. Trends in the property of group 13 element. First one we will see atomic radii. Atomic radii. What is atomic radii? That is radius of atom. Atomic radii. Now we have previously seen in the last year how actually it is calculated, right? Now today, as we know, in a periodic table from left to right, atomic size decreases, and from top to bottom, atomic size increases. The same happens here. Atomic size, atomic radii from top to bottom goes on increasing, right? But in group 13 elements, since the elements are subdivided into two types, inert gas core and pseudo gas core, due to presence of D block elements, D and F block element in the higher elements, is gallium, indium, thallium. The regular trend of increase in the atomic size is not shown here. That is, the atomic size from aluminium to gallium, atomic size from aluminium to gallium to indium and thallium. For this, the increase in the atomic size is so marginally due to presence of D and F block element. Why? Because the D and F block elements, they do not shield the outer electrons. This is called as shielding effect, protection. Hence, the last electron, the outer electrons, they directly face the nucleus, and hence the force of attraction between the outer electrons and that of nucleus is not affected by inner electrons, and hence there is some good amount of force of attraction between nucleus and the outer electrons, and hence this outer electrons get slightly shifted towards inside, and therefore though the atomic size should go on increasing from top to bottom, but in group 13 element, no doubt it's increasing from gallium, aluminium to thallium, but it is so marginally, so much in small amount. This is due to the intervening D and F block electrons. Hence, atomic size from top to bottom goes on increasing from aluminium to thallium. It so marginally increases. This effect in the size also affect other properties like ionization potential. What is ionization potential? The amount of energy required to remove the loosely held outermost electron, right? And hence, since there is poor shielding effect of D and F block, there is some good amount of force of attraction between nucleus and the outer electron. It is very difficult to remove outer electrons. Hence, ionization potential is directly proportional to the atomic size. As atomic size increases, ionization potential is inversely proportional to the atomic size. As from top to bottom atomic size increases, ionization potential should decrease, right? Here also, in the given table, atomic radii in nanometer is given, and in the next column, ionization potential value in kilojoule per mole is given. See the atomic size from boron to aluminium to gallium, it increases regularly, but indium and thallium, the value increases so marginally.
Same happens with ionization potential. Ionization potential decreases from boron to aluminum to from gallium to indium also decreases. From indium to thallium, ionization potential value increases. Next part of the chapter we will see in the next video. Thank you.